The Bharat Bandh, called by farmers on Tuesday, December 8th, in protest against the three new farm laws passed by the centre, is set to affect services across various sectors. It will be an emphatic Bharat Bandh on December 8th, All India Kisan Federation President Prem Singh Bhangu said on Saturday after the fifth round of talks between farmers, leaders and the centre failed to break the deadlock. The farmers are protesting against Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020, Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act 2020 and Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020. The farmers claim that these laws and the minimum support price system in future and will give corporates total control over agriculture sector. On the other hand, the government has projected these laws as major reforms in the agriculture sector that will remove middlemen and help in the growth of the income of the farmers. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, while interacting with media on 7 December, said that the Bharat Bandh will not affect Goa. CM also extended his support to the farmers' bill and said that it is a farmers-friendly bill. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.